Listen to our customers. These are some of the reasons why you should not buy Debbie Meyer pink
What
bags.
they did to my orange, they turned it into produce.
Ma'am, your orange already was produce?
Oh, well, it turned yellow.
Isn't it plastic?
No.
The Debbie Meyer pink bags made my banana cold, frozen, and rotten. Just like Miley Cyrus. These Debbie Meyer pink bags made my apple smaller and rottenly delicious. Those are some of the reasons why you shouldn't buy Debbie Meyer pink bags. The main reason is that they go gangster and kill people.
He is dead. That is the end.
No! Don't attack me!
He's just watching.